What's up, guys? I hope you can see something because or else I'm gonna fucking shit in my pants. No, not really, but I hope you guys enjoyed a part 1. I don't know where I'm going right now, but oh, here. Okay, that's clear. Yep, that's the way. Oh my god. Oh, scared. The scared ones, huh? Yeah, I think I got catch my asthma. Shit. Okay, fine. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, what? I hear screaming. Fuck that.
What do you want, asshole? Laura, is everything all right? She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
Oh yeah. Really?
Again? You're looking for trouble. You found it. Beat the shit up.
I don't think so. Yeah, these are some reflexes. Nice. Get on. Get slapped in a dick. Oh no, you ain't. My reflexes got better and better. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, gotta push. Up. Ah. Oh, what you gonna do? Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, fuck me. Yes. No, what the f... Damn it. Yeah, break another window. No? Oh. Yeah, in there it is. Ouch. That hurts. You know that? This is fucking taking so long.
See you again, asshole.
I'll see you too.
Are you alright?
Better him, I guess. Who is it?
Our next client thinks he believes me. He was getting violent and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
You should be careful. The problem will lead you back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Well, that's what I wanted to hear. Yeah. Hope you guys know I'm not. So now we're gonna play with this dude. Private detective. Come on, I don't have all day. How long is it filming right now? 4 minutes? Okay, that's pretty good now. Oh shit. Yeah, I knew I moved something. Come on, you stupid bitch. Yeah, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? Do I gotta push these buttons? Yes, oh my god, fuck. What the fuck is that? Okay. I know what to do. Not really anymore, but I know a couple of parts from PewDiePie. I know a couple of things. What the fuck is that? I hope that ain't drugs. But that ain't drugs. Oh, yeah, no, that's not drugs. Why would he use drugs while he's a cop? Yeah, I think he's a cop, no? Yeah, I remember he is like an FBI agent or something like that.
Please step back. Agent Norman Jaden.
Oh yeah, FBI.
Got a badge or something, Mr. Dave? Yeah. Yeah, of course.
You don't see it? You don't see it? Check these.
Check. Pass.
You bitch. What you want? Hmm? What do you want? Why don't you jump over it?
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around? I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
That wasn't me. Wow. Snakes, was that you? Huh? Snakes don't burp. No, they ain't. Okay, that was me.
Video memo recording.
Nice.
023 Norman Jaden. Tuesday, October 4th.
Nice. See, I like this part every time. Every time I see this part from FBI, from, what the fuck, from PewDiePie, I'm like, oh my god, I want this too. But, no, nothing. Oh, so there is, huh? So what are you? Bank manager, no criminal.
Unrelated to the investigation.
Bang. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, these are.
Harry counted. Sample of no interest. Comes one of the policemen present on the way plan.
I get animal. Fucking way. Ah.
The body must be under the tarp near the lights.
Oh.
Hey! You there! What are you doing? Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me to be here. Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place. Mike, can you tell that asshole with the bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes? I can't hear myself think here. Right away, Lieutenant.
Yep, that's fucking how a cop speaks, of course. Fuck yeah. Dope.
So, what happened?
Yeah, what happened? What happened?
About 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now. Based on what we've seen, looks like the work of the origami killer.
Oh, the origami.
Any news on the coroner? He's on his way, Lieutenant. We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Well,
Time theft been established?
oh come on, man.
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look.
That's super.
There are a lot of people on the crime scene. Aren't you afraid your men might destroy some clues? Don't
dude.
being identified? No, not yet. We should know
Oh,
more later today.
man. The leads?
Any leads? My men are going over the scene with a fine-tooth comb. The killer left anything behind. We'll find it. Listen, I'm a little busy here. Why don't we discuss all this a little later? Back to
Yeah,
the
fuck
office.
you, bitch.
Well, no problem. I understand. Do you mind if I have a look around? Be my guest. Hey, Jay, come and see me if you find anything, okay? On the same team now.
Yeah, of course we are. Ori, huh? So I guess I have to end this episode here. Oh, fuck. Yes, okay. I can't say my outro, so fuck yeah.